Hi everyone, thanks for giving me 3 minutes of your time to learn about the new enhancements to parent communications through InfoCenter and SchoolMessenger. These enhancements will help your school meet and exceed the expectations for excellence in customer service. First, a quick look at why we did the changes. There's a law that was updated in 2015, the Telephone Consumer Protection Act, that says you must have consent to send phone calls from mass communication systems to cell phones. The only exception to this is for emergencies. With more and more families not having home phones, we need to ensure we are following this rule. You will notice on this year's registration forms a new checkbox with the required phone number that says, "Do not use except for attendance and emergencies." When you are inputting registration information into Synergy, be sure to note if the parent checked this box. This information will import into SchoolMessenger. Second, we are launching SchoolMessenger's Communication Preference app for parents, InfoCenter. Using the app, parents will be able to decide how they want to receive communications, by phone, text, and/or email. Parents authenticate through the app with the email address they have in Synergy, so don't be surprised if you receive some calls or visits to update email addresses. This means we have to change our philosophy on broadcast types in SchoolMessenger. In the past, we set the broadcast type based on where we chose to put the content. Remember? We had phone and text, phone and email, or phone, text, and email. Well, now the broadcast types are based on the content of the message, and the expectation is all broadcasts will be sent with phone content, text content, and email content, because different parents have chosen different ways they want to receive it. In addition to the existing broadcast type of emergency, which automatically goes to all contact types we have in SchoolMessenger, our new broadcast types are early release late start, newsletters, principal's message, school events, school holidays, and time sensitive. When setting up a broadcast, be sure to choose the type that best describes the content of your message. We will be sending you information to include in your newsletters that will remind parents to opt in for texting and to download the district app and the new InfoCenter app. The information is also available on our website at mpsaz.org/parents/connect. To sum it up, we are providing a better customer experience for our families by allowing them to choose how they want to receive communications. Thanks for doing your part.